dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas, if we do an honest-to-goodness examination of drivers, the way it is being done in other countries, especially the United States, I suspect that more than 50% of the drivers in the Philippines will not pass. Tiyak yun. Hindi aabot ng 50% ang papasa, bagsak lahat eh. Karamihan babagsak eh. So I suggest that you become stricter this time, especially in the renewal of driver's license. Baka pwedeng ano nyo uli, idaan nyo uli sa lectures, seminars regarding rules, regulations, safety requirements, more particularly for professional drivers, no? Especially yung mga nagdadala na pasahero. Pero dapat yun, pati non-pro, pati pro, hindi lang mga reckless, ang tatanga eh. Kaya siguradong babagsak eh. Sigurado, sa tunay na eksaminasyon, 50% ng driver sa Pilipinas babagsak. Kaya it's about time. The silver bullet to solve the traffic problem in Metro Manila, especially in EDSA, is to declare Metro Manila city streets as no parking zone. That's just like Singapore. Pag no parking zone lahat yan, dapat sa parking area lang o parking slot lang ang parada, hindi na dadaan ng EDSA, Madam Chair. So, sinong gumagawa nun? Yung mga driver din na tanga. Hindi mo ginagawa. They violate the law.